afternoon, everyone. Virgo Triad here. It is May 11th, 2018, and I basically wanted to introduce you guys to a new petition that has gone up by the watchdog community. Matter of fact, the owner of this particular petition is Scam Stingers. Now, in light of the new information that we have found out that I've posted on my channel, with regards to the former executive assistant of April Lajune, whistleblowing the fraud that April is aware of that she is doing to the clients that are purchasing TDA packages. I wanted to make sure everyone was aware that this is now up and available. It's been up for a very short period of time, already has 27 signatures. It's rapidly going around the social media network. There are several people that have this information available on their channels. Now, I want to make sure that you guys are aware that there are actual clients of April Lajune that are signing this petition. As I said, it's only been up for a very, very short period of time, a couple of hours, so I have no idea how long it will take us to get to a number that is going to be feasible for us to send it into Google. But what this is for is to take down the April Lajune channel off of all Google-owned social media platforms, and that, of course, would include YouTube. We have hashtag TikTok April, which is, if you actually search for that in the Google search engine, you will see all of the different channels and individuals that are trying to notify people that it is obvious at this point that April's aware that she is defrauding her audience. She's attempting to try and get as much money as possible. There is currently the name of an investigator through the Attorney General's office that is now investigating this scenario. You can view the video that I have up of the former executive assistant for April Lajune that blew the whistle on her for the information for that investigator, should you need to contact that investigator. So let me go ahead and take you down here to, first of all, there's a video. This video, I gave permission for Scam Stingers to list. It is the original fraud video that I did a couple months back on April Lajune and her TDAaccount.org site. States that April Lajune has defrauded hundreds of people on YouTube, Periscope, Roku, Facebook, and Twitter with her TDA packages she is selling for $450 each. She claims that they will get you out of debt, but in reality it just sticks you with fees for nonsense paperwork and legal problems from filing false IRS forms. Please sign the petition to get April Lajune's channel removed from YouTube and all other Google platforms and stop the fraud. I want to take you down here to where some of the actual comments are being placed. So here we have Brenda Smith. Don't send this woman any of your hard-earned money. She'll be your friend until the check is cashed. If you ask her a question after that, you are nothing more than a stupid idiot. Her words. Keisha King writes, I'm deeper in debt after listening to April. All of my TDA payments were reversed. My Amazon and PayPal accounts were both closed. I got a nasty letter threatening to fine me $5,000 and possible prosecution from that. I was told to ignore. I hope I don't end up in jail. April Lajune is promoting and selling sovereign citizen theories that are not only incorrect, they are illegal. Both the FBI and the IRS have issued warnings and asked that you report the promoters of these scams. And here are some links that you can find all over my channel, the Virgo Triad channel, in order to turn her in. Okay, so for those of you that are interested in assisting to get the April Lajune channel taken down off of all of the Google platforms, please go to the link in the description and sign this petition. It takes you just a few seconds to do, and it is a great public service. As we are finding out, more and more people are coming forward from her client list, including employees former employees. This is just a really bad situation. We really need to make sure that the people that are still listening to her and honestly believe what she is saying, they're still dishing money out to her. So for those of you that are, conscientious when it comes to scams, please help us with this. It's a valuable service. All right, you guys, just an update. Please make sure that you take a listen to the video right before this. I think it's important everybody knows what's really going on. This speaks in volumes to all of the other gurus that are out there scamming people. We aren't going to tolerate it as a community. All right, everybody have a great weekend. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.